everyone, Crafting Vicky here with you, and I want to thank you all for participating in the giveaway for the Wix tote bag as well as the little pouch. So as promised, I'm doing the giveaway now so that I can actually mail out the bag and the tote bag and the pouch. I put in the video information in this app, and it's supposed to give me the winners. So there's going to be two winners. The first winner is going to be for the tote bag, and the second winner is going to be for the little pouch. So let's see. There's 22 people participating, and let's see who is going to be the winner. Woohoo! So Noreen and Paula, you are the winners. I'm so excited. So Noreen, you're getting the tote, and Paula, you're getting the little pouch. I really hope that you guys were, so you were happy with both. So that's amazing. So I just wanted to check just to make sure, because if you had not, then that would not have been good. So thank you so much, guys, for participating. I believe I might have your address, but I would suggest that you reach out to me at craftingvicky at gmail.com and send me your address so I can make sure that I send it out to you. And I'm hoping to do so this week so that you get it in time for Christmas. So love you guys so much. There's still time to participate in the other giveaway that I have going on right now, so go and check that out if you haven't. And thank you so much through Wix for giving me the opportunity to do this giveaway, because I really appreciate it, and it's just amazing of them to have given me these extra bags for you guys. So love you all, and stay safe, and see you soon. Bye.